In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gemini to check grammar. If you've ever wondered how to quickly clean up a sentence, catch common mistakes, and understand why a correction is right, this walkthrough will make the process simple and stress-free. First, open your Gemini account. Launch Gemini in your browser or the app and sign in so you're ready to type. Give yourself a quiet moment here to focus. Having the interface open and your text ready will help you move smoothly through the next steps. Next, enter your prompt with a clear, specific request about the grammar you want corrected. The more direct you are, the better the results. Tell Gemini what to fix and what kind of explanation you want back. This helps it not only correct the sentence, but also teach you the rule behind the change, which is where the real learning happens. Here's a practical example you can type exactly as shown. Check this sentence and fix the grammar. She go to school every day, but he don't likes to go. Explain what was wrong and how to fix it. This prompt does three important things. It flags that you want a grammar check, it provides the exact sentence to analyze, and it asks for an explanation. That explanation is key. It turns a quick correction into a mini lesson. In a case like this, you can expect Gemini to correct subject-verb agreement and verb forms, producing something like, she goes to school every day, but he doesn't like to go, and then explain that singular subjects need singular verb forms and that doesn't pairs with the base verb like. After you've entered your prompt, wait patiently while Gemini generates the response. You'll usually see results in just a few seconds. Let it finish before you make any decisions. Sometimes the explanation appears right after the corrected sentence, and it's easy to miss if you scroll too quickly. If the first pass looks good, read the explanation carefully and compare it with your original. Noting the specific rule, like subject-verb agreement or verb-tense consistency, will help you avoid the same mistake in the future. That's all there is to it. Open your Gemini account, enter a clear grammar prompt, include the sentence you want fixed along with a request for an explanation, and wait for the result. With this simple approach, you'll get fast corrections and a clearer understanding of why they're correct, which is the best way to improve your writing over time.